Remember the slew a man and fell into a dispute among yourselves as to the crime, but Allah was to bring forth what ye did hide. So he said, strike the body with a piece of the heifer. Thus Allah bringeth the dead to life and showeth you as signs, perchance they may understand. Thenceforth were your hearts hardened. They became like a rock, and even worse in hardness. For among rocks there are some from which rivers gush forth. Others there are which when split asunder send forth water. And others which sink for fear of Allah. And Allah is not unmindful of what ye do. Can the men of faith, entertain the hope that they will believe in you, seeing that a party of them heard the word of Allah, and perverted it knowingly after they understood it? Behold, when they meet the men of faith, they say, we believe, but when they meet each other in private, they say, shall you tell them what Allah hath revealed to you, that they may engage you in argument about it before your Lord? Do they not understand their aim? Know they not that Allah knoweth what they conceal and what they reveal? And there are among them illiterates, who know not the book, but see therein their own desires. And they do nothing but conjecture. Then woe to those who write the book with their own hands, and then say, this is from Allah, to traffic with it for miserable price. Woe to them for what their hands do write, and for the gain they make thereby. And they say, the fire shall not touch us, but for a few numbered days. Say, have ye taken a promise from Allah? For he never breaks his promise. Or is it that they say of Allah what they do not know? Nay, those who seek gain in evil, and are girt round by their sins, they are companions of the fire, therein shall they abide forever. But those who have faith and work righteousness, they are companions of the garden, therein shall they abide forever. And remember, we took a covenant from the children of Israel to this effect. Worship none but Allah. Treat with kindness your parents and kindred and orphans and those in need. Speak fair to the people. Be steadfast in prayer and practice regular charity. Then did you turn back, except a few among you, and you backslide even now? And remember, we took your covenant to this effect. Shed no blood amongst you, nor turn out your own people from your homes. And this the solemnly ratified. And to this that can bear witness. After this it is the same people who slay among yourselves, and banish a party of you from their homes. Assist their enemies against them in guilt and rancor. And if they come to you as captives, ye ransom them, though it was not lawful for you to banish them. Then is it only a part of the book that ye believe in, and do they reject the rest? But what is the reward for those among you who behave like this but disgrace in this life? And on the day of judgment they shall be consigned to the most grievous penalty. For Allah is not unmindful of what ye do. These are the people who buy the life of this world at the price of the hereafter. Their penalty shall not be lightened, nor shall they be helped.